check it out. It's a room tour. Show y'all what we got. So use these bracelets. You go in. So we are at Casa de la Música. So there's how many different houses here, babe?
I believe there's 5.
Yeah, there's 5. Right now we're at the Musica. So we're just kind of like the center of the hotel. We're at Hotel Xcaret Arte. It's like the sibling of Mexico. We went to Mexico last year. It's our first time here in Arte. So this is the room. So come here. We have a jacuzzi, you know, a little jacuzzi. That's good. We have, what else do we have? We got a little lock, a little sandals. We got a closet here. Yeah, we got our closet here. A complimentary bag. Of course, I'm gonna rock that at the beach when I head back to the States. We got our robes, iron. We got our bathtub, or should I say, standing, right? Yeah, look at that. I mean, it's like a tile art. It's looking nice. All right, so what else do we have? Oh yeah, this is the restroom over here. And what's cool about this, baby, if you go around, so that's pretty cool. I mean, let's go back over here. Let's check out the view. So we got TV. Look at the roof. Well, I think we're in the highest floor, right?
Yeah,
so,
6th floor.
So we got the roof on here. It's pretty nice. We got the bed. A nice little bed, a table to chill, relax, do our work. We got some, come over here, baby. We got complimentary drinks. We got Coke, Diet Coke, some Corona Light, and some water. Complimentary. But the best part, the best part is the view. We got the view out here, but to see it even better, this is the best view. We got a hammock, we got the sofa, we got the river, we got the, I mean, just look at this. We got the church.